What's the meaning of cilantro? Cilantro. Cilantro.
Cilantro. Cilantro. Cilantro is an herb with delicate green leaves and a pungent scent. It is also known as coriander or Chinese parsley. This herb is commonly used in Latin American, Asian, and Mediterranean cuisine to add a fresh, citrusy flavor to dishes. It is often used in salsa, guacamole, and curry dishes. Cilantro is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. However, some people may have a genetic predisposition that makes cilantro taste soapy or unpleasant. Overall, cilantro is a versatile and flavorful herb that can enhance a wide range of dishes.